So what we have here is an iPhone 11 with dead no power. So let's plug in the charging port. Let's see if we get a response. So phone is stuck at 0.3 amp. That's very low. So usually a phone stuck at 0.3 amp. Let's see if it's charging. Let's measure the voltage. So this voltage is coming at 4.2, which is normal, but it's not charging. It's not taking any charge. It's a really strange issue. So what could it be? So there's a voltage coming, but the battery is not charging. So it means that the phone could not detect the battery. And able to charge it. That's strange. Let's try to hook up the connector, but we get a response. We get a click. So let's see what's going on. Let's go to display view. So as you can see, the phone is stuck in DFU mode. Okay. So it means something wrong with the memory. So there's nothing wrong with the phone, it's just the memory. So this maybe a defective memory, this one. So it does recognize the phone, which means the CPU is working fine. But it could not able to boot up. It means that it could not load the memory, the software, the firmware on the memory. It's like we have a defective memory. So the only way to fix this is to replace the memory module. Okay, let's so the only way to fix it is just to replace this memory module right here. Not much we can do about it. So we need to take the board up the housing and try to see if we can replace the memory, and that will solve the issue. We've seen this case before many times. Usually if the phone is stuck at 0.3 amp something, and we plug in the charging, plug into the phone to the computer, it recognizes the phone. But in the DFU mode, it means that the memory is bad. But let's go ahead and remove the phone, remove the board from the housing, and go from there. Okay, so the phone is working now. It's charging up properly. It's charging at 1.3 amps. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you haven't done so. It helps a lot in building our channel. Our channel is new, so thanks.